Hello and welcome to Prudent Media. My name is Sachin Chatte and on this program we take a look at the latest releases. There's only one release this week which is called Song Sung Blue. Song Sung Blue is inspired by the music of Neil Diamond, but it is not a biopic of the famed singer. Rather, it presents a biographical narrative of the individuals who established a tribute band dedicated to Neil Diamond. The documentary featuring Mike and Claire Sardina shares the same title as this film and acts as a source of inspiration for the storyline. The result is a mixed bag. The nostalgia part with the music works well. It will be hard to get the title song or Sweet Caroline out of your head easily, but when it comes to the story, there are a few potholes and bumps on this road. The length also acts as a deterrent. Clocking well over 2 hours, it struggles to stay afloat. But as Claire Sardina, played by Kate Hudson, says in the film, nostalgia pays, and who wouldn't sing along with songs like Sweet Caroline, Forever in Blue Jeans, Song Sung Blue, Cherry Cherry, Suleiman, among others feature on the soundtrack. The film opens with the statement that it is based on a true love story, and it introduces us to Mike, played by Hugh Jackman, who has maintained sobriety for several decades now. He possesses a commendable singing voice but primarily performs as an impersonator of various artists. When asked to perform Don Ho's iconic Hawaiian song Tiny Bubbles, he decides to quit because he thinks he's suited for something better. Soon he meets Claire, who excels at singing Patsy Cline songs. It becomes evident that Mike's past was more illustrious, and Claire recalls watching him perform Sharp Dressed Man by ZZ Top during his prime, and she was very impressed with it. Their connection deepens, leading them to become romantically involved, and with a little help from their friends, they form a tribute band named Lightning and Thunder, with Mike being the lightning part and Claire representing the other half. His manager, who also serves as his dentist, provides him with a replacement tooth engraved with a lightning motif. The journey appears to be smooth for both the film and the characters as their popularity begins to rise. Notably, Eddie Vedder from Pearl Jam not only invites them to be the opening act, but also joins them while singing Forever in Blue Jeans. Claire and Mike both have children from their previous marriages. She has a young boy and a young adult daughter named Rachel, played by Ella Anderson, while he has a daughter of a similar age. Most films that feature singers or singing include a tragic element, and this one is no exception as well. It gets bogged down and starts limping and nearly descends into coma. Jackman and Hudson perform admirably to keep it afloat, but they receive little support from the screenplay and especially from the editing. The narrative also veers into melodrama and becomes somewhat illogical. Now, why would you not seek medical attention when you get a heart attack inside a hospital? Well, that is beyond me. Domestic issues also emerge, creating tension within the family. However, since this is a true love story, things have to get back on track before we have more music and the finale. The film tries hard to bring out the emotional quotient in the middle and the latter portions. You do empathize with the characters, but you also want the story to move on quickly. All heard and seen, this is a trip down the memory lane which gives you the blues. But then you can take the blues and make a song and sing them out again. I'm going to go with 3 out of 5 stars for this film inspired by Neil Diamond. It's called Song Sung Blue. Well, that's what I thought of this Neil Diamond film that was released this week. Do let us know what you think, and I'll be back with you next week with more movie reviews. Till then, it's goodbye from me.